Pujwara, who manages about $8 billion in emerging market funds, and out of that, about $1 billion purely in India.
We understand that both two prime ministers have a close relationship, and this is good for the leadership to the most companies and also investors.
मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बह के सागर में मिले बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो